Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to measure your heart rate on this Huawei Watch GT 3. Let's get started, but first, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, important note. To receive the precise results you need to wear your watch tight and do not move during measurements. Now let's wake up the watch by clicking this button. And click again to go in the main menu where we can find this heart rate tab. Select it, and right here you will be able to see your pulse at the moment, and at first the results can be unclear, but it will stable and you'll see your result here. And also you can see these statistics, and it shows us the lowest point of our heart rate and the highest. And when you're done, just click this button again. Also, as an alternative way, you can swipe left and it will also measure your heart rate at the moment. All of the results you can find in Huawei Health app, just right here in Health tab, and then in Heart. You can see the results during the day, week, month, or even year. And that's all. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.